Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today I am back with you for the October prompt for One Little Word. So this is a class with Ali Edwards that I've been taking part in all year, but I've done it some previous years, not every year. I think this is my 5th actual class, but yes, I think that's what we're going to do today. And it's the October prompt, which was to do a poem kind of related to life, our word, and right now. So I have done that, but I've also, I think I said this in a previous post, but I signed up for the Ali Edwards Stories by the Month, like digital version. And I mentioned last month I did a little like postcard. I love this idea for just doing a little something each month that is consistent. So I think this is something that I'm going to carry forward, but I'm going to do it this way. So this again is the scrapbook by the month kit for Ali Edwards. Again, I just buy the digital version. And for those of you that are, regulars, look at the quality of this print. Can we just say, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I have a new printer. Fireworks, explosions, etc. I have a new printer and I'm freaking loving it. I will do a review at some point, but also new in the hood is this beauty. Is this beauty. I treated myself to a new paper trimmer. So yes, and I am probably going to get one of the very, very smaller, more detailed paper trimmer ones. I think my girlfriend said that they're around 6 inches. Hex yes. Hex yes. So there we go. Things that we are doing. Things that we are doing, and it's mostly me treating myself to new things. Is that like a line? Oh, it is. It's like a little, it's like a little line thing. Like a little marker for where the line is. I like it. Of course, I don't know I can't do it that way. I can't do it that way. I can't see what I'm doing. I can't see what I'm doing. So I think in future months, what I'm going to do as we head into another season of One Little Word, I'm going to use the scrapbook by the month kit, which is what this is, and I don't know if she'll do it every month, but in this one, there was a little thing that says October looks like this, and then I could just put 5 little photos on, and I'm like, yes, yes. I do tend to overcomplicate things. I'm going to use this one as a template so I know where to cut. Oh, I like this. This is much easier than my other one. So I'm just going to adhere these back to back. Hang on. I want it that way, so I need it that way. Way to overcomplicate things. So yes, I've been having some fun crafty shopping time, as we will discover in my budget update. But I've been literally crafty shopping, and I've been crafty shopping for a project called December Daily that Ali Edwards does. And I think I've mentioned this in another video, but I don't normally do, I'm going to say, holiday things. I'm not normally a holiday things kind of person. But this year, I am embracing the whole thing. Yep, we're going to do that. Again, I'll have a video coming up about that. If, like me, you have multiple hole punches, it is in your best interest to label them as the thing that they are for. I want it that way in my planner. So that will go in the middle. What I have is this. This is, well, it's half and half, isn't it? This is part Project Life, because I only had half of the page for what I needed. So that's 5, so that's 5.5 there. Yeah. So I just filled in the space with some things for Project Life. I'm going to put those to one side, and then that is what I need for this project. I like the fact that this is very lightweight. I like that. So, oh, I do need that paper trimmer, and I'll just put it away. So what I did was, I looked in my stash and I found this. This paper was from the Good kit that I bought back in December of last year because I knew Good was going to be my word. And then I did this in a very similar but more of a peachy font just to make it match. I'm going to have to take a little bit off the bottom of that as well. And I just thought, there you go. That's my super easy spread. That is my super easy spread. So we need a little bit off the side of there. I swear I will get used to this paper trimmer. And then, because this paper it's too wide. There we go. Because it's 7. And I need it to be, what do I need it to be? 5.5. 5 there. Measure twice, cut once. And then, holly holes. Okay, actually, first, put those together. Put holes in there. You can put holes in there, that's fine. I can't see where I'm doing it. That's annoying. Oh yeah, because it's smaller. Damn it. I'm like, why is that not lining up? Because I've made little marks there. I'm like, why is that not lining up? Because this is smaller. Do I just want to take a little 1/4 inch off there, or do I want to use some different paper? Hang on, my brain is thinking. My brain is thinking, please hold. My brain is thinking. I think I'm just going to adhere these. Again, stop overthinking it, Di. Stop overthinking it. Just get the paper down and be done. Seriously. That's that way, and that's that way. And then we'll just take a little bit off both ends. And then you won't really notice. Not really. Oh, hang on. I guess I don't need both of those. I could put one of those to one side, but here we are. ADHD brain. Okay, I'm just going to do that. It's fine. Don't overthink it. Stop overthinking it. And this is a public service announcement to me. Stop hoarding things. Stop hoarding your papers. Stop hoarding the embellishments, and to that end I'm going to put in either that or one of the chipboard pieces from here. Green, no, maybe that. I feel like it's that. Does anybody else feel like it's that? But I bought this pack. I bought this pack back in, again, I think it was December of last year, thinking I would use it all year. And this is all of it that I have left. I've barely used anything because my brain says, no, save it. Why? Why am I saving it? I'm just going to use that. I think I'm going to do that. Yeah, and then that's going to be it. I'm going to put that on there. And I'm not even going to put anything in that box, because that's all it needs, and I could have just cut that off, but that's by the by. And that's it, I'm done. I will leave my poem down below in the description so you can read it at your own leisure, but that is it. I think I just have to stop overthinking this. I just have to stop overthinking it. So yeah, that is my one little word done, and then we'll head into November. And again, I will use the November like little postcardy thing, put some photos in, and this will become a regular thing each month. A regular thing, for lack of a better word, a regular thing. So yes, but I need to stop overthinking and just get it done, because I have other projects that I want to work on. So yes, all right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.